has soft skin, fire red hair. She doesn't know that I even care. Will she notice if I stare? Mesmerizing eyes, I follow her. She doesn't realize. Snow crunching underfoot entices. I wonder about her vices. 1, 2, 3, 4 steps to her door, one lock to unlock. Liquid courage in my flaws, covering my face with a mask. Her first stop is the kitchen, pours herself a drink. Red hair hanging low as she reflects and thinks. I am inside. She lights up a smoke. The gray fumes dance out of her lips with elegance. She is perfect, irresistible, but still I wait. Snow crunching underfoot entices. I wonder about her vices. 1, 2, 3, 4 steps to her door, one lock to unlock. Liquid courage in my flask, covering my face with a mask. She makes her way down the hallway, it's a long way, casually undressing along the way. Clothes fall to the floor like a trail, perfume vapors I inhale, leading me to her. Now sitting naked on the side of the tub, water filling up as her feet she rubs. Gazing at her beauty, my heart beats like mad, mind thinking of the soon-to-be severe cruelty. Snow crunching underfoot entices. I wonder about her vices. 1, 2, 3, 4 steps to her door, one lock to unlock. Liquid courage in my flask, covering my face with a mask. This is an atonement. I attack her at the weakest moment. She struggles none. Blunt force trauma to the head bubbles from under the water. She's not dead, dead, dead. Place my boot against the back of her skull. Her face breaks against the bottom of the tub. I whisper to her, what I have done to you, you have done to me. Snow crunching underfoot entices. I wonder about her vices. 1, 2, 3, 4 steps to her door, one lock to unlock. Liquid courage in my flask, covering my face with a mask.